How to change volume in Capcut Mobile free tutorial.
If this helped, drop a like, share the video, and subscribe for more. Presets and effects for life, click the link down below and enjoy the tutorial.
Assuming you have an audio or volume clip in the timeline, select so it highlights. You can choose to split the volume and the volume. Let's say we want to have this to fade in, click, drag to the right. Notice it's adding a curve on our timeline. You can even choose to fade out the volume by click, drag to the right. As you can see, the volume has been selected and adjusted. You even click and select volume, which is the third option. Now you can drag to the left. And you have successfully changed the volume in Capcut Mobile free.